Hey everyone, this is Mitch from sunny Florida again. Little project. I purchased a Radio Shack transformer Raptor on eBay, and it was used. And when I got it, it barely flew. The controller was real non-responsive at all. The plane would fly in a circle, and then if you try to correct it, it would just dive down into the ground. So I liked the little plane, and I decided I wanted to do something with it. So I purchased some of these WL toy receivers. Now this works on a 3.7 volt battery, and they're really good little receivers. They're digital servos, and they seem to be pretty durable, long-lasting. I've bought the linear ones, like for the ones would be in the UMX planes, the e-flite planes, fly zone planes, and these really seem to work nice. So they're only about 12 bucks on eBay with shipping. So I went ahead and I gutted the airplane with the what they had in it before. Now, I painted this thing up to be like a Thunderbird's aircraft, okay, but I did not paint the bottom because I was trying to keep the weight down. So my receiver fits underneath here, and I made this little foam canopy, like that's where I can launch a plane. I got a good place to hold the plane, okay, and flip it back over here, and up here I have my battery compartment. That's with the hatch, small hatch. If I can get the damn thing open now. Yeah, there's where my battery compartment is. Right there. Put that down. Okay, and here I have ailerons. So there's up, right, left, right, left. Now you notice there's a little bit more right up. And that's because I flew the plane before, and it to trim it, I needed a little bit more right on it. So here's my little F-22, and I'm going to shoot a video here, a flight video, and we'll see how it goes. Hope you enjoyed it. Car coming.